Wait, did I send you? I'm sorry.
How was it?
What? Am I serious for what?
That's amazing.
What's amazing? Are you being smart?
Run, Colin, run! Colin, run! Colin!
Stop it, Bryson!
Oh, thank you.
What the hell?
Wait, somebody else film it. I have to cover my ears.
Middle skip? I don't like
Oh,
that.
thank you. Thank you.
Please tell me that you recorded that.
Me. We got some of it. We got like a minute of it.
Middle skip.
Can you focus in a little bit and see if it's
Did you say that grinds my git?
Zoom in, Becca.
Oh, zoom in on what?
Just a little, because it'll
to
get
see if
right
the water's
there.
boiling out of it, or if it's
It doesn't zoom in
no,
that far.
you can see that there is a little bit of. Bless you.
Excuse me.
Carbonation. Like that. Yeah. There's carbonation in there.
The best of
Like
Incubus.
Bless you, child.
I saw them in concert recently.
Who bless you,
Who,
child?
Incubus? Who said that?
Oh.
There, Billy Bob.
I can't hear.
The lid is go on.
No, band-aids.
Give it a little while.
Don't burp anymore.
Oh, you gotta buy the rights from me, guys.
Wait! Move the spotlight! Just a little bit
But Bryson,
down!
monologue.
Right there.
Come on, dude! It's too much light for my video. It's too much light for the video. That's good. No, back.
Right
No,
there.
no.
Here comes the
You can't see it anymore.
Right there.
That's all right.
That's all right.
It's not perfect, but it'll work.
Dude, I'm gonna run out of memory.
Come
There's a blow up.
on! Plug my ears better! Plug them!
Plug my
Plug
ears better.
I can still hear
Shut up.
you.
Sacrifice your ears to plug mine, because I'm recording.
I think it's done, man. Shoot it.
Shoot it.
Shoot it! Get the gun.
Oh, he's gonna shoot it. Oh, you
Ah,
missed!
you're not on my ears!
Oh, sorry.
Thanks. My ears are tender.
Calm down.
They're tender.
Seven
You couldn't hit water if you fell out of a boat. Come on.
My kid's 12 pumped. No, don't shoot him, Seven.
Oh. What just happened?
Watch it explodes and rockets
So
off.
Hit the dirt.
In our direction.
Oh, almost got it.
Hey,
you can get it.
rocks at it. Get him. Big rock.
Come, let us kill them.
Come on,
Let us kill
dude.
them before they hit it with a rock.
You call yourself a hunter?
I'm gonna kick it. I'm gonna kick it.
No, don't. You'll lose your foot. No, Colin, please. You're in my video. Move.
Oh, hey there.
Explode.
Well, at least it's not a shotgun.
At least it's not a
Should have waited to start recording.
Vince, go get the AK.
Oh, I would have laughed so hard.
Go kick it. Stop. You go kick it.
Oh, I don't know what happened, but I liked it.
Anticlimactic.
Anticlimactic.
Why isn't it exploding?
Explode, you good for nothing.
That's all you're getting.
I need to go to the bathroom.
You're dead.
My toes are numb.
You're dead.
Oh wait, move the light! Where'd it go?
Put the light on it.
No, I can't see the bomb anymore!
Move it.
I know, but not in the video. Come on.
Don't tase me, bro.
Seriously,
Oh yeah.
I don't want to hold it anymore.
We gotta be careful.
Bryson, you hold it. Blow up.
I don't have hands.
Yes, you do.
Oh yeah, I do. It's my legs. All right. Where? Yeah. That's.
Don't push buttons. You're covering the microphone.
What are you talking about?
Move your thumb.
Hey, do you want me to hold this?
Thank you, Bryson.
You're welcome.
No, Daniel. Someone go kick it.
I'm
For
not
money.
gonna go kick it, dude. I'm not stupid.
I'll give you a nickel and a new card.
Dude, I think it's done.
Shot.
I think it's up, man.
Because of the beamings, I think it put a hole in it.
Yeah, that's what I think it happened.
Is that a BB gun or a shotgun?
Listen to Beth. Shotgun. Shotgun. Darn it. Yeah, that was a good 4 minutes and 50 seconds of video.
Thanks.
Very well spent.
Wait, it's still recording. There's still time.
Zoom out a little bit.
excuse me.
Wilberforce J. Applebody.
Oh wait, here we go. Wilberforce J. Applebody.
Yeah. Is
Tell
it
us-
recording?
Yes.
Wilbur J. Oh, well, I came up with that character back in 1965 in a bar in Brooklyn, actually. It was a while ago, but he's a good character, and he just wants to be loved like any monster.
Change?
No, I don't have any spare change. What are you, gay? Why do you need spare change?
I just wanted to get like a.
I don't think.
Oh,
You're
yeah,
on
5 minutes,
booze,
you guys.
aren't you?
Wait, we need
Could you
lights.
donate your
Hey, we got
legs
5
to the
minutes
Save
till,
a Leg Foundation?
To the Save a Leg Foundation.
Really? That's cool.
Then I won't have any legs. Dang it, I was gonna say that. All right, so turn it off.